Hey folks, how y'all doing? Old man in the land of grills. We're going to put together that grill today. You're saying, well, it already is. Well, I'm going to show you how you can put together the Char-Griller Akorn, folks. Super simple to do. If you got it about an hour, you can put yours together too. All right, there's the owner's manual. You got to start putting her together. Now, this is model number 6620. I don't know how many models, but as I look through this, there hasn't been much, because I had one of the original ones that had the wood shelves and everything, and a lot of the construction is exactly the same. So there wasn't much to improve on here. You know, even those gaskets are just nice gasket. They put the money where they needed to put the money, and it makes for a really nice acorn for $300, folks. I'll tell you. I'm gonna keep coming back to that because, like I said in the beginning here, there's a lot of them out there that you can spend $1,500 on, and this little thing for $300 can do just as well as some of those more expensive acorns, or Kamados as we call them. All right, folks, so once you got the leg brackets on, those are the leg brackets right there. Then the legs go on, and the legs with the pockets are for the wheels, or with the hole for the wheels, I should say. Those go, you gotta find the latch because that's the front of the grill. So the wheels are at the front of the grill, and then the caster is on that side. So that's how that goes. All right, so once you got the bottom tray on, obviously you gotta put it on the right way. There's just some bolts, slack washers. Then you go ahead and tighten up everything else. So we left those loose to make it easier to get that on. All right, wheels are on. Curious what size they are? They are 8 by 1.75 inches wide. Nice rubber wheels. Got the caster on there too. Nice locking caster. Time to turn it around. All right, we attach the lid next, the hinge, and it's the 4 that have the Loctite on them. All right, folks, got the hinge on, and it fits perfect on the first time. I tell you what, this is a simplistic hinge, and it's not as complicated as when you look at that one there, and then there's one right back there. See that rubber one back there? Those took a fair amount of time to adjusting, where this is just 4 screws and away you go. All right, folks, so the handle goes on really, they're marked left and right, and there are, you can't really see it. There's 2 bolts there, 2 on the other side. You put one side in with 2, put the other side in with just 1, and then you put the handle in and you swing this one and then put the other one in, tighten it up. There's a nice handle on here. The 2 bolts also, all pre-threaded for your vent on the top. Nice and tight. And they do have a rubber gasket on there now. I didn't notice that on my old ones. The temp probe goes in real nice. There's a thumb screw on the other side. The only place where there's nuts to put in is for the side shelves on here. And you just gotta make sure that when you put the shelf on, and then you slide the bolt and the nut there, right there, you can see it. Nut goes to the outside, and just snug it up, and we're good to go. So let's put everything else together. All right, one of the unique things is the ash pan on this grill. It's removable, and you're saying, well, yeah, it's on a Weber too, but this one also has a big gasket on it that tightens up, and that's where your vent control is on the bottom. And you see that peg right there? So all you gotta do to line it up is get it right in there. See where it goes right in there? And once it's in there, then you've got a clamp on this side and a clamp on the other side that you just clamp it in. And there's a gasket there and tightens it up, so it's a nice tight seal. All right, I really like the design of this thing because it has a replaceable inner fire bowl that goes in there. Just fits like that. And remember that stone I showed you in the beginning? That stone fits there. So let's put the rest of it on. All right, they got a nice thick porcelain enamel coated fire grate. All right, we got our smoking stone in there, the Char-Griller original one. Nice thick cast iron grates. Got a removable section in here, and you're wondering what those 2 holes are for. And I tell you what, this is unique. I don't know any other grill manufacturer has done this, to have this second shelf that rotates out of the way. And if you're wondering, the lid still fits. I have used this second shelf extensively. It gives you just a ton more room. All right, someone's gonna ask dimensions, and this is a 20-inch grill. So your cooking surface is 20 inches, and your top grill is about 13.5. So you got a lot of space on there, and you can sear on here. You can, like I said, use a smoking stone. Folks, if you're wondering how long this took to put together, this was an hour. And I was talking to you a lot during it too. So spent an hour. This is a nicely built grill. I really like it. I can't wait to break it in, do some cooking on it. Folks, hope you enjoyed. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.